Okay. So this is the tutorial question that we solved. It's also unstable something because we have 3p here, you have 2p here. Do you see that? Okay. Here is I. Here is I. Here is I. Here is 2i. And this is L. So we have to start naming the joints. This is maybe joint 1, and this is joint 2. So 1. And this is 2. Or do you see any other joints that have not named? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay. Do you see any joints
Yes,
that
sir,
have not labeled? Have I labeled all the joints? Let's move on. So at joint 1, what we did now, something like that. So J1.
all the distance is I.
We said, so joint 1, we have what? M. So maybe 1, 2. Let me name here 3. Let me name here 4. Let me name here 5. These are you okay? So M1, 3 plus what?
So the naming, we will do the naming ourselves, or it will be part of the question.
You will do the naming yourself. M1, 2 plus what? That's it. Equal to 0. Is that not it? Is this M1, 3, M1, 3 plus M1, 2 equal to 0? That's at the first joint. Please use it. Then for the second joint 2, J2. What do we have? At joint 2, we have what? The one going this way, 2, 1, 2, 4, and we have what? 2, 5. So M21 M21 plus M2 M24 plus what? M25. I think that's it. Or I've left something out.
M12.
Can you see it? I think that's it. Or
I'm just copying at the moment.
okay. So we jump on to junction 1, M13. So M13. What do we have? This end is a pin support. This is a phased support. Please, have you seen it? You have to be able to know the differences. And it's as part of the conditions. If you have a pin and then a pin at the end, what you do is that a pin at the end and there is no load passing through it. You use 3 EI over L. That is the condition for that side. Mr. Edward, do you remember that one?
That is M21.
M13.
M13. Okay. Okay. So if there's pin, it should be 3EI.
It should be if it is pin, it's 3EI.
Without load going through it.
Yes, without load going through it. So you have to note them down. So we call this modified stiffness. So 3EI over theta 1 over L.
Okay.
That's for M13. That one we don't do for this side because we consider if you are using modified stiffness, we consider here to be 0. So this is it for M13. Then we do for M12. But the M12, I'm coming. Let me write it somewhere different. So M12 is going to be what? M12 is going to be. So M12 is like a phase, and just that the theta's are not equal to 0. I hope I've said that here.
Yes.
So
M12.
yes, M12 is here, 12 is here. Do you get it? There is a load
Yes.
passing through it, and it's like a phase, and so you are going to use your R and your RC. Do you remember?
Yes.
But this time around, none of the theta's are going to 0.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have REI theta what? Theta 1 over L plus RC EI theta 3. Theta 2, sorry. Theta 2 over L. Please, are we okay with it?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Edward, are you okay?
Hello.
Yeah, are you okay?
I'm following, but I'm not following through. I'll get home soon so that then I'll follow.
Okay, sure.
But I follow up to that point.
Okay. Mr. Geoffrey, are you following?
Yes, I follow up to the point you are now.
Okay, very good. So we continue. So we are done with junction 1. We can put them together somewhere nicely.
Yes, sir.
So let's put them together maybe here. So we have 3EI theta 1 over L plus what? R EI
Theta
theta 1 theta 1 first over L
Yeah, it's theta 1 over L.
plus RC
And plus
EI
RE.
RC. It's
Okay.
R and RC.
You are taking the theta 2 first.
Yeah, theta 2
Okay.
over L. This whole thing is summing to 0. Okay. So this is what we have right now.
3EI theta 1 over L.
Please, can you see it?
Yes, please.
So we move on to the second junction, J2.
Okay.
So at junction 2, we have
Let me
M21.
drop down. Please give me a
Okay.
moment. Let me finish copying this one before we move on there.
Okay, okay,
So that I can contribute well.
okay.
Okay, we are now at joint 2.
Yes.
Okay, we can move on.
We can move on. Okay. So
Sorry.
let's move on.
Yes, sir. So for joint 2,
Join 2, yeah. So join 2, M21. So let me zoom
Okay.
into 2-1. 2-1 is here. 2-1. Have you seen it?
yes, sir.
So 2-1. There is a load. Is there a load
Yes,
passing
2P.
through?
Yes.
Yeah, there is a load 2P passing through 2-1. So
Yes. And the far end is fixed.
yes, so
So
it's
it will be
like the RN RCL.
R and RC, yes.
Yeah. So R EI
EI theta 1.
Hey, are you sure? The junction is 2,
Theta 2, yes.
theta 2. Over L. Or is it
1.5
2L?
L.
It's L. 2-1. We
1.5 L.
are at 2-1. Here.
Is L, yes.
Yes. So over L. Plus what? RC. RC
EI
EI.
theta 1.
It's theta 1. Yeah, theta 1. Over what? L.
Over L.
That is M21. Is that correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so that's M21. So we do for M24. So this is M21. Let's do for M24.
Okay.
So M24 is going to be what?
M24. Zoom there.
2.
It's not small hand. M24. It will follow the same thing like the M13.
Yes, so there is no load passing through, so it's just 3 EI
Yes.
over L.
Theta.
So can I just add it to this Plekona?
Theta 2.
Or you let me not confuse you. It's what? 3 EI.
EI.
Theta 2.
Theta 2.
Yeah.
Over L.
Over L. Very good. Then we do for M what? M25.
M25.
So M25 is, let me zoom in. The far end is fixed. A load is passing through. Do you see it?
Yes.
The load is 3P.
Yes.
So it's going to be what's called?
Are we going to consider the load, the 2P,
It's
as
going
part
to
of
be
the load?
it's going to be R and RC. Just that the theta here, the theta 5. The theta 5 is going to be what? 0. Is that not it?
0. Yes.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. So it's what? R?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, please let me answer this call in a moment.
Okay, okay.
Hello, sir. Yeah. Good evening, sir. How are you doing, sir?
Let's continue. Okay. So we are doing what? 2.5.
M24. Now we are moving to M25.
2.5. Yes. After that, we do the 2.4. We did it. We haven't done the 2.4 yet.
The M24, we did it.
We've not done it.
That is 3EI.
We've done it.
3I theta.
Oh yeah.
Theta 2L.
Yeah,
Yes.
we've done it. It's here.
Yes. Yes.
So M25 is going to be R and RC. So R at this side, RC at the far end. Just that
But the RC will
the
be 0.
RC will be 0. You know it. Okay.
Yes.
So let's just consider the R. So what is the R giving us? It's REI. Is the I1?
R.
The I is 2. Have you seen it?
The I. Yeah, it's 2.
It's 2. So R, it will be R E2 I. Theta what? Theta 2, right?
Yes.
Over 1 point over L. The L is 1.5.
L. It's 1.5 L.
Yes. Please have you seen it? Can we continue?
Yes, please.
Okay. So we put this over there. And you know 1.5 is just like 3/2.
Yeah.
Have you seen it? So you can reciprocate
Yes.
and you have like 4 R E what E I theta 2 over what? 3. Please you get it?
Bit confused.
So I just did some small mathematics over here.
Okay.
Or we can still maintain it. You can just do 2.
No, if
you see here is 2. Let me zoom in. Here is 2. You see it?
okay, the I is 2, yes.
And here is 1.5. And I'm writing the 1.5 as 3/2.
1.5 as 3/2.
Yeah, so here will be 3/2. And I was saying that these two can reciprocate, come up here and multiply these two.
Okay.
And you get 4.
Making it 4.
Yeah,
Okay.
remaining the
Okay,
3
I get it.
and 9.
I get it. Yes, it's okay like that.
Okay. So right now it's like we have 4 REI over 3 and theta 2.
About 3L.
Yeah. Is that okay?
Yes. Yes, please.
Okay. So from here, we just add them. But what's happening here?
From the M21.
Okay. So M21.
M24.
When you check here, Edward, are you listening? When you check here, like from here
Yeah.
coming to this point, that's where the load changed.
Yes.
So where the loadings change, that
Yeah.
part will take a different R. Do you get it?
Yes.
So all the places that we use, all the places that 2P is passing through, you make it R1. And all those
Okay.
places that 3P is passing through, make it R2.
R2. Okay.
Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So that means that when you come here, where is it? At junction 1, when you go to junction 1's equations,
And one, yeah.
every arrow will be R1
Okay.
because it corresponds to what? 2P.
Yeah.
So here is R1, here is R1. And when you come to junction 2, all the arrows at junction 2 will be due to 3P. Do you get it? So we represent that one too by
R2.
R2. But it's only the ones that what do we call it?
Along the load 3P.
The ones that are along 3P. Do you get it? So here will still be R1 because when you check M21, M21, 21 is here. What loading is passing through is the 2P. I hope you get it.
Yes.
It's the 2P that's passing through.
Yes.
So it still be R1.
M21.
And here too will be R1. Do you get it?
Yes.
But when you get to M24, the load that is passing through is 3P. Please, have you seen it?
Yes.
So we represent that one by R2. Hey, what?
But we don't even have R there.
We have from 2 to 5.
R in the
2 to 5.
2-4. No, 2-5 there we have.
2-5.
Yeah.
2-4 there we don't have. So here is R2.
The 2-5 will be R2.
Yes. Do you get it?
Yes.
So right now we have to group them the way we have been doing them.
Yeah, we put it together, we add it together.
We add them together. So let's try and do that. So all theta 1s will go to one side, all theta 2s will go to the other side. So let's start from here. From here we have what? R. We have R1 C I theta 2 theta 1 over what? L.
Yeah.
Plus what? It's left it.
That's the M21, right?
Yeah, this one. M21.
Okay.
R1.
It's theta 1.
Yeah.
It's theta 1.
Yes. I theta C theta 2 over L plus the next one is what? 3 EI theta 2 over what? L. And the last one plus what? 4
3 EI.
4. Let me deepen it small. 4 R2
The 3 EI theta 2. Okay, that's M24.
yeah. Theta 2 over 3. Oh. So this is what you are having here.
Plus 4R2
So
4R2 EI theta 2 over 3L.
So from here, what we do next is that we have to put it in the stiffness matrix form. So in the stiffness matrix form, this is how it will look like. Here will be your theta 1.
EI over L.
Theta 1, and here will be what? Theta
Theta
2
2.
equal to 0. Okay. So let's go to the first equation, this one.
Okay.
When you take the EI and the theta 1, I said this means that all the theta 1s are coming in column 1. And all the theta 2s are coming in column 2.
Column 2.
So after taking EI and then the theta 1, you will be left with 3 here.
Yeah.
And we've not exhausted it. So plus what? R. Do you see it?
Yes.
Okay. That's all for theta 1 at that equation, in this equation.
Okay. So we are left with 3 plus. And that
So let's come
is
to this
R1.
equation.
Is it R1 or R?
That's R. I think it's R1.
Yes.
Here is R1. Here to the R1 because they are from junction 1. Is that not it?
Yes. Yes.
They are from junction 1.
3 plus R1.
Yeah. So this R1. Then here will be what? Let's come down. Here will be R12. After taking theta, R1C. Do you see it? And here we are done with all the theta 1s.
Now we are on equation 2.
Yes. We are on equation 2. So I do for equation 2 here. Then let's get back to equation 1 again and go to theta 2. Theta 2 is what? You can see R1 over there. R1C.
Yeah, we have R1.
R1C.
We have R1.
Do you see it? Do you see
Yes,
the R1C?
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Then when you come to this side to equation 2, what do we have? For theta 2, we have R1
R1 EI theta 2. So it is just R1.
And plus what? 3
Yes.
plus what?
R1 plus 3.
Plus 4 by 3.
4R2.
4 on 3. Do you see the 4 on 3?
Yeah, 4 on 3.
R2. Yeah. So we have this now. Is that okay?
Yes. R1 plus 3. 4R2 on 3.
So we are back to the same try and error. So let's find our determinants. It is going to be this plus this.
It's left with theta 2 equation 1.
Are you sure? We've taken it to.
R1C.
Yes, it's here.
Okay, the one at the down here.
You get it?
Yes.
We've taken from this equation and this equation. So this will multiply R1 plus R1 plus what? 3 plus 4 on 3. 4 on 3 what? R2.
Okay, R1C. Okay, I did not. Okay, this is why you put it.
Minus what? Here is R1C times R1C. Do you get it?
Yes. Minus R1C times R1C.
So R1C squared equal to what? 0. Is that right?
Okay.
So right now what you are going to do is that you can send this one to the other side so that you have 3 plus R1 then R1 plus 3
R1 plus 3.
plus 4 on 3
R2.
equal to R1 C squared. Please you get it. So we are going to find our R1 from the equation. Do you get it?
Okay.
And R2. But before that, we have to know the relationship that exists between the piece that we have. That's the row. So our first row will be you know the formula for the critical backlink. P there is P over what?
Yes.
P over pi squared.
P over pi square EI.
Yeah. Pi squared EI
over
L squared. But if we are saying P1, row 1, then our P is what? Let's consider the first. This is what we are going to consider first. 2P. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
So you consider 2P. After that, you consider the 3P. The length for the 2P is what? L. And the length for the 3P is what? 1.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ish. Okay. Oh.
Let me write this last part before we.
Okay.
This one is there 4 involved? The 3R,
The 3R.
3 plus R1
Uh-huh.
into bracket R1 plus 3.
Uh-huh.
Is that plus?
Yeah, it's plus. This one is plus.
It looks like 4.
No, it's plus. It's
Okay.
plus.
Okay. One, 3.
So here is 2p over pi squared.
Mm.
Hey, but that one card, I think it's just I, right?
Yes.
But the L is
Yeah.
the L2, was it 2L?
No, it's squared.
It's only L.
Yes.
Here. I mean this one. Okay. What is it? So it's L squared. So there is it. Then